Alright, so today the painting is going to be on a disc. You can see the round shaped disc here. Now I'm going to complete the painting with the finishing touches. Let's draw a taller tree here, just starting from the top, coming up here. Okay. So the tree you can see. Now I'm going to put some branches of the leaves here. So this is one kind of sycamore trees. So the branches is going to be like this. So it has few details. Let's put the details like this. So the details is almost done. Only one uh, branch is left. I'm just drawing right now. All right, so single tree, and put some grasses and other stuffs at the bottom. Awesome. Okay, so for the mountain lines in the horizon, let's put a clear line which is going to separate the mountains from the water lines here, and the skyline up there. And you're also going to put the outlines for the top of the mountains. Awesome. Okay, and the lines is like this. Okay, and some reflections on the water you can see here. All right, and a boat I'm going to put here, so it's going to be a very taller, like little bit bigger. Okay, so trying to make the drawing as simple as possible. All right, so the reflections you can see on the water. So as you can see, the proportionate to the tree, the boat is comparatively bigger. So that's why this is a merchant boat used to carry people to a long journey. So I'm putting the pitched roof on the top. Okay, so this boat can carry up to 30 or 40 people. Now I'm going to put the vertical elements. Okay, Awesome. So only few outlines about the banks, just putting another one, just doing the deep outlines for the banks to make the visualizations more clear. All right. You can put some, the shades like this for the, upper section of the boat. And I think that's it. So the drawing is almost finished. And this is the most simple drawing. You can draw easily, so nothing's complicated, very easy and simple. Only the details of the top part, it's like putting here, another one putting here. Okay, so you can do practice at home and draw better drawings. Each time you do practice, each time you improve. So that's the main thing. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned with the Blue Hand Drawing channel and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day.